In this video, I'm gonna literally show you how you can make money as soon as today, like right after you watch this freaking video. So much money, so easily, absolutely free. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire ass video. And if you guys have been following me for a while, the backdrop is a little bit different. I'm currently here in Serbia in Europe, right? This is my 9th country this year. And for those of you who haven't been following me, guys, what I do is I travel the world full time and I teach people how to make money online from their laptops. And basically, if you like that type of content, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way I can help you live the dream lifestyle. And number 2, if you guys want to know my number 1 recommendation to make money online, there will actually be a link in the description. First link, right? Now let's get right into it. I'm not gonna talk about my journey in Europe. In the next couple of days, I'll drop a video, some fire stuff about Europe and all that extra stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and give you guys what you'll be looking for. So let's get right into the content. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now what we're gonna be covering within this video is, if you look here, we're looking at Walmart. You're like, what the heck does Walmart have to do with anything? How am I gonna make money with Walmart? Guys, look, the cool thing about Walmart is you can do something called drop shipping. And I'm gonna show you guys a simple method, and I'll be very transparent with you. I'm not using it, but I know people who make a ridiculous amount of money with this method. And I thought that I'd just go ahead and reteach it to you guys to give you guys some value, right? So what drop shipping is very simple. It's when you do not own the product at all, right? But you find somebody else who's selling it for an extremely low price. And then what you do is you find somebody who's actually looking for that product, and you go ahead and actually get the product in front of them. They make the purchase, and let's just say you buy it for 60 and you sell it for 100, right? That's $40 that you make in profit, right? So we're looking to make profit. So there's a couple of things that we're looking for when it comes to drop shipping, right? We're looking for a product that we can find a really good margin on, something that we can find for very low but sell it very high. Number 2, and guys, don't feel bad about that, because that's what everybody does to you. You think that people sell you products and they're not making a profit, you're losing your mind. Every single product that you've ever bought and somebody's made money off of it, right? So instead of being the consumer, be the producer and make money, right? So that being said, something that has margins. Number 2, something that is in demand, right? So something that has a lot of people who are actually searching for it. And number 3, you want to find an item that is in high demand but does not have a lot of competition, right? Now in this video, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the concept, and then after this video, you guys can actually do your own research, right? I'm not going to go ahead and go through the research and all that extra stuff, right? I'm not going to show you what's in demand, what's not in demand. I'm not going to show you what's high competition, what's low competition. You do your research, but here's the concept, right? So if you look here, I found a desk on Walmart that is selling for $69.97, right? But the retail value is $99. So that means I can easily sell this desk for $99, right? So if I was to go and copy this, right, I simply go to eBay, right, and see what they're selling for on eBay, right? So guys, you can literally do this for any item. If you were to go on Walmart and just start browsing items, and there's other websites that you guys can find stuff for much lower, right? But the cool thing about Walmart is you're not sending it from China, so you'll actually be sending it from like Walmart in the US. So if you notice here, guys, as stated before, it's selling for $99 on Walmart, but they're selling it at a discount right now. So you can literally find people who will buy this. Look, $94, $105, $95, $120. Now, as I stated before, guys, you want to find something with less competition, but I'm just showing you guys the concept. So if you notice, there's some competition here. There's a lot of people with this, right? But imagine if you were to go ahead and give a price lower than everybody else. So let's just say on average people are selling for $95. You can go ahead and list yours at $84, right? So list yours at $84. And if you do the math here, so 84 minus 69 equals 15, right? So $15. Now, if you want to make $30, if you want to make it a little bit more, right, you could just do sell it at $99, right? So $99 minus 69, and boom, you're at $30, right? Now you might have to pay for shipping and handling, but this is how this works, guys, right? So you list it on eBay. You literally can use the same exact picture, or you can use a better picture, and you list it on eBay, right? Now you have to become an eBay seller. As you sell more items, you'll start ranking, you'll start getting more stuff, right? But more capabilities. But what happens is, once they make that purchase of the $120, you're literally gonna use their money to make the purchase on Walmart, and you're gonna ship it to them. Now you're probably asking the question, do people care about seeing a Walmart box? Absolutely not. The friends that are doing this, they told me people really don't care. It really doesn't matter, right? The objective is to buy low and sell high, and you take the spread. And you guys can easily find an item that's hot, that has those three factors, right? It has demand, it has margins, right? And there's not too much competition. You can find that as soon as today, list it on eBay, get your first sale, and then go ahead and find it on Walmart, ship it to them, and get your freaking profit. Now, if you guys like this video, right, and I'll have more videos like this in the future, right? But go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, because it does help. And I want to go ahead and help you guys live your design life. And number two, guys, I stated before, my number one recommendation to make money online will be the first link in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you guys so much. Look forward to the future content and my updates of being in Europe. There's gonna be some amazing freaking content. And last but not least, at 25,000 subscribers, we're gonna hit our first in-person event, and I can't wait to meet you in person. So as always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.